No, I don't feel like eating a lot at the moment. So I'm not eating meat. I'm only eating avo and olives. I'm not poor.
Where's your mental space?
Avo, olives, feta, sourdough bread, tomatoes,
Where's
all
your
the yummy stuff.
mental
Sorry?
space?
No, my mental state is fine.
You're
Really
good.
is. I just don't feel like meat. It makes my stomach not feel like it. So I'm losing weight on a vegetarian diet.
Okay, cool. No, that's good.
And real butter. It's not like I'm poor. It's actually lacquer stuff, but I don't feel like eating meat for some reason.
There's
And it
nothing
makes me
wrong
lose
with
weight.
it.
I don't know why. But Kira, you're beautiful, my man. Really, it's beautiful to watch it. It almost made me cry now.
It makes me feel better to give people things. Than
You
to
know, there's nothing better in life to do than to give things to people. And that is the truth. There is nothing better in life to do than to give to people.
Yeah, I can't always give, but I try and when I
Yeah,
can.
no, but it's beautiful to see, man. Fuck. I used to watch Oprah like a fucking... I was a big fan of Oprah Winfrey. Even though many people don't like her, I used to love that show.
So maybe I should change the name of my channel.
Because you are like the Oprah of TikTok, bro. I mean, you're a man, but you kind of like you've got a feminine vibe about you.
I thought it was about the giving and helping people.
No, you do have a very feminine vibe about you, very strong one.
Yeah, thank you.
And that's
for
beautiful.
That.
I mean, the feminine vibe is a beautiful vibe. I'm not going to lie. I sometimes talk about you with Derek and them. It's just a joke, bro. Like I joked with him that you had a tooth stuck in your forehead. I knew it wasn't true.
Yeah. No,
Or
you
the
know
other
what
guy had a
happens
tooth stuck in his forehead. Whatever, I can't remember. It was just a joke.
When people meet me in person, they're always like, "Oh, ons gaan jou opfok en alles." And then they meet me in person, and I've literally got an energy field where people, when they see me in my face, they won't fucking touch me. I know it for a fact.
No, you're a beautiful guy, and you're a big guy.
Well, I'm not that big, but I'm...
Yeah, well, I mean, you're tall and you're quite well built.
Yeah. Maar dankie, jy hoef nou nie my mielie te...
No, I just came in to say thank you for what you did.
I thought your friend was going to get in. Is he still staying with you?
Blogger, get in the live, bro.
No. I'm just asking because there was an interesting
No, he's
live
here. He is here.
when he was flashing his...
I actually need him in the live because he just had an interview. I want to see how it went. A very nice interview.
Okay. Cool.
Come, blogger, join the live, please,
Is
bro.
he still staying with you?
No, he had to go for a very good interview today. So he's not staying with me, but he's got a plan of action, that's for sure.
Het jy die werk gekry?
Away, blogger, my man.
Yes.
Het jy dit gekry? Baie geluk.
Thanks man. Ja, nee, hulle gaan my 'n bietjie later weer 'n keer bel. Toe kyk hulle kan muscles.
Wat gaan jy nou doen? Moet jy liggame inspit onder bome of wat moet jy doen?
So guys, this is a backup account of mine, eh?
Oh, because your main is
bad.
blocked, yeah. Your main is blocked, yeah, right?
Not my main, but my second main. I still have my main account. Hey.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Ja, ek se boss. What's fun?
You're going to win now. I can feel you winning now. You just need a little help from your friends and now you're going to win.
Maar almal ek kort regtig nuwe followers op my live gaan op hierdie account. So almal follow my asseblief. I need to go live a bit.
Oh,
Yeah.
fuck. You just come to my live and then you make truck. And then I'll also go and follow you. Yes.
Let's do it.
But I love Christian, bro.
Nou, Christian's away, bro. Ek like hom nog altyd.
He's not, I mean, I joke about him sometimes. Let's be honest. But fuck it, I love the guy. You cannot deny that he's a fucking awesome man.
No, he's freaking
An
awesome.
example to other men.
Okay, ek sal 'n impan trek vir ek klik daai ons. Ek was net 'n
No,
bietjie
you don't have
warm.
to put that shirt on. Nobody can see your nipples.
Yet.
We must invite Blogger sometime when he's back on his feet to the mansion.
Ja.
Ja, it's kind of dope there. Alright, Natu. You must have a good day.
Okay, ouers,
too,
maar
guys.
ek sê 'n bietjie later asseblief almal follow my. Ek gaan nou live gaan, ons gaan groot kak maak. Nee, ek joke, ons gaan almal 'n lekker tyd hê. Stop Nicholson, I love you, bro.
I love you, son.
Cheers.
I love you.
Bye, Christian. Thank you for letting me know.
Okay, thanks.
Thanks
Bye-bye.
man. Cheers ouens. Wat ek ook gaan.